We are back with another boxing at home training video. Today's video, we are going to talk about how to defend against a jab. You're supposed to jab me. That is not how you defend against a jab. We're going to break it down into three different techniques. One is going to be your parry, lead parry of the jab. Okay, jab. So when you parry it, slow it down a little bit, right there. So when the opponent is throwing a jab at you, throw the jab, hold it out there. Your lead hand is going to grab over and just push it down like this, right? Don't go like that, because now you're leaving openness to get punched in the face. Yes, like that, right? So you don't want that. So when your opponent throws the jab from right here, so you can counter, right? Just a little whoosh, whoosh, just a little whip. Go, jab, just like that. And see, if you keep your hands up, they're not gonna hit you. But slow it down. So you're gonna throw a jab. You're here, right? Boom, counted open. So again, slow it down, jab, boom, like that. Now, you do not want to parry to the outside, and I'll show you why. So you're going here, jab. Look, that hand comes straight through like that bumper clap. You're not supposed to hit me in the nose that hard. But in a real fight, you're going to get hit, and that's what will happen. So never parry to the outside. So jab, because then this is going to hit you, right? So always parry to the inside through a jab, boom. So you have the advantage. So that was number one, parry. Number two is just the block. So throw the jab, palm block. Again, throw the jab, palm block. So when you see a jab coming, you just catch it, right? Catch it like that, boom. So you see the jab, catch it, boom, come over top, right? It's not like this. So you're not gonna hit it down, because now you're too much. Yes, you can still throw, but you can also get countered, so don't do that. It's just a little catch. So jab, catch, boom, all right? That's number two, the block. Number three is gonna be just your slip, all right? So throw the jab, boom. You wanna catch it with your shoulder. Throw the jab, boom, right there. And keep your hands up, but for demonstrations, we're showing you, right? So if you're really fighting, you're here. Go, throw the jab, boom. You know, catch it with your shoulder, go, boom. Catch it with your, go, boom, bam. And you can come with the body, you can come over. Now, do not slip to the inside of a jab. So if she throws a jab, and you slip here, try to catch it with this your shoulder, look, boom, you're gonna get hit. One time right there. So don't slip to the inside. You can roll to the inside, but that's another video. So always slip to the outside. So you're here, she throws a jab, boom, catch it here, right? Because now you have options. You can go for the body, you can come over top, or you can step side, boom. All right? And that is your three technical abilities to defend a jab. So let's go over it again. Number one was the parry, boom. Number two was the block, boom. Number three, slip. All right? Now practice, practice. Remember, consistency is number one to improvement. And make sure you like, share, and subscribe.